Guys, good morning and welcome back to you guys' another reading. Let's see what all you need to know today, and these are general readings, so only take what resonates, leave the rest behind. If you want more accurate readings, you can book a personal reading with me through the link in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram for the inquiry of the personal readings. And let's get into your reading. If you haven't already, go subscribe to my podcast channel. I post self-improvement and spiritual podcast. Let's get into it. Number 33, the very first card we have is nostalgia. So maybe you are feeling nostalgic. A rainy days is what I heard. So maybe you're feeling nostalgic about rain, feeling nostalgic about the times that you used to spend with a certain person or a certain people or people closest to you, people that you used to love, and people that you dated maybe in your childhood. Maybe you're nostalgic about those memories, especially something around rain and rainy days. We have number 3 is coming out so many times. Number 2 and 1. Number 6, we have clover. Release your guilt. That's the message. 3 coming out again. 32 is 5. Escapist. Come home to yourself. Collective. Being in nostalgia. देखो, हमारी गलतियों के बारे में सोचना, रियलाइजेशन करना इज़ अनदर थिंग. बट इफ़ यू आर सो डीपली रूटेड इन योर गिल्ट that you feel guilty, or if you're thinking about the past and you're living in the past so much, that is harmful. एक टाइम के बाद आपको खुद के पास वापस आना पड़ेगा. नंबर 3232 could be significant. Angel number 3232. You are advised here to come back to yourself, come home to yourself, collective, and you will do that by releasing your guilt. या फिर ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर गिल्टी अबाउट समथिंग, या फिर हो सकता है रैंडमली ही कुछ ओवर थिंक कर रहे हो एंड उसके ना सर है ना पैर है. मतलब सर है ना पैर है एज इन कि वो सिचुएशन आपके लाइफ से रिलेट भी नहीं करती, बट रैंडमली यू स्टार्टेड ओवर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, बट नाउ यू हैव टेकन इट सो सीरियसली कि ये हार्मफुल बन चुका है, which has become so harmful for you that you need to release it. Correct? So this is the message that you need to come home to yourself, because you are losing yourself in the procedure of doing something which is not even right for you. आपने randomly कुछ करना start कर दिया, but now it has taken a toll on you, and now you need to come back from it. You need to come back from the feeling. You need to release yourself from that situation, from that surrounding, from that environment, from the people, and come back to yourself. Escape from the past and be in the present. Come back to your present moment, and you have earned all of your stripes. Even if you went through struggles, even if you went through lots and lots of sadness in your life, this is your time. This is your time to shine. This is the time when you embrace and realize yourself that you've earned all of your struggles, and you've made yourself a better person out of it. You've made yourself a great visionary, a great person with a great perspective. You're well read, like you've read a lot of stuff is what I see. You're a well read person. You earn a lot of knowledge and wisdom deep inside of yourself. आप guilty feel क्यों कर रहे हो? हाँ ठीक है, पास्ट में everybody makes mistake and everybody went through shit in their life, but अगर over analyze करोगे उसी situation को, that will become harmful for you. That's the message basically here. And you are a wise person, collective. आपको खुद को इतना सेल्फ डाउट में डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये बोलना चाहते हैं आपको आपकी स्पिरिट टीम एंड गाइड्स की आप एक वाइज पर्सन हो. आपको इतना सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपकी सिचुएशन के बारे में. We have castle. Number 3. What is up? Number 3 is coming out so much. यहाँ पे भी 39 है. It's time for healing, not war. It's time for healing, not war. It's time when you heal from the past and not overthink and drain yourself. ये समय है पास्ट के बारे में सोच के पास्ट से हील होने का, ना कि उसमें डूबकर खुद के प्रेजेंट को खराब करने का. कलेक्टिव. रेन ड्रॉप्स. Did I not speak about rain? Did I speak about rain in this video? I don't remember. But मैंने किसी तो वीडियो में बात करा था. सी रेन ड्रॉप्स, बारिश की बात हो रही थी. शायद कोई तो एक मेमोरी है, एक हैप्पी मेमोरी है, एक सैड, with a hint of sadness attached to it, and that's what you think about. Take a chance on them. Maybe if you want to talk to somebody from your past, go do it. If you want to reach out to somebody and ask them how they are, do it. Do it. Number 42, which is 6. Take yourself out on a date. This is the time when you embrace new environments, collective. आपको बोला जा रहा है थोड़ा खुद को चेंज दो, थोड़ा खुद को बाहर ले जाओ, थोड़ा खुद में टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो. Number 22, which is 4. Library is coming out. Like I said, you're well read either, or you have lot of wisdom inside of yourself. Number 41. Sundress. Do it for you. Go out on a date. Do it for yourself. Take control of your own narrative, collective. This is the time. मुझे लगता है कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ चैप्टर, कुछ सिचुएशंस ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो चुकी है, बट आप अभी भी ख्यालों में हो. दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन यू कम आउट ऑफ इट. यू गिव योर सेल्फ द ट्रीट. आप खुद को बाहर ले जाओ, खुद को ट्रीट्स पे लेके जाओ, खुद को डेट्स पे लेके जाओ, खुद को वेकेशंस पे लेके जाओ. गिव योर सेल्फ द एनवायरमेंटल चेंज दैट यू नीड, बिकॉज यू रियली नीड टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर लाइफ. आपको खुद के लिए करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज नोबडी इज़ गोइंग टू फाइट फॉर योर सेल्फ. Nobody is going to come and fight the battle for you. Fight for yourself. Don't be afraid to be yourself. मुझे लगता है आपने बहुत कंजर्वेटिव करके खुद को पकड़ के रखा है. Paint the sun back into your sky. This is the time when you heal. This is the time when you come out from the past. This is the time when you come out from the storms. Every hurricane comes to an end. Every good stories also come to an end for a reason. Okay. मुझे लगता है एक आपकी ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरी है विच यू लाइक टू गो बैक टू, थिंक अबाउट एंड देन बी सैड अबाउट इट. एक कोई तो हो सकता है एक हैप्पी मेमोरी हो, एक गुड रिलेशनशिप आपके लाइफ में रह चुका है जिसके बारे में आपको सोचना पसंद है टू एन एक्सटेंट, जहाँ पे फिर आपको सैड लगने लग जाता है, आप ओवर थिंक करने लग जाते हो. बट आपको बोला जा रहा है वो मेमोरी से बाहर निकलो, क्योंकि अगर अच्छे रिश्ते ख़त्म होते हैं, सो देर इज़ अ रीज़न बिहाइंड इट, बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर विल नाउ बिगिन. अगर अच्छी चीज़ें चले गई तो अच्छी और चीज़ें भी आएगी. तो आपको बोला जा रहा है यू रियली नीड टू लाइक शिफ्ट योर एंड मे बी डेट न्यू पीपल, मीट न्यू पीपल, बट इफ़ यू डू नॉट वांट टू डू दैट, जस्ट मेक योर सेल्फ हैप्पी एंड डू इट फॉर योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज नोबडी इज़ गोइंग टू कम एंड सेव यू, कलेक्टिव. एंड आपको खुद को बस एक एनवायरनमेंट चेंज देने की ज़रूरत है. मुझे लगता है आप एक बहुत ही नॉस्टैल्जिक वाइब में जी रहे हो, पास्ट में जी रहे हो. आपको खुद को वो एनवायरनमेंट से निकाल के, अगर आपके अराउंड सराउंडिंग में लोग ऐसे हैं जो आपको पास्ट के बारे में बार बार रिमाइंड करते हैं, stay away from those people and just focus on yourself, because this is the time when you shine in your own environment for yourself. Do not waste your time on the people, places, situation jo chale gaye, who have gone since so many times now. I think that's pretty much what the universe has to say, but let's get into it. Which deck? Okay, this one only. Number 19, surround yourself with love. अगर आपके अराउंड कोई लोग नहीं है जो आपको प्यार दे, आप खुद दो. आपके अराउंड अच्छे लोग भी हैं, मुझे लगता है आपको सिर्फ बाहर निकल के उनसे बात करने की ज़रूरत है. Number 19, number 1, number 11, paint the sun back into your life. The message here is straight up. Collective, listen to me. Forgive and learn. Forgiveness is important. You already have all the answers. All you need to do is come out of your fucking shell and put in the work. आपको खुद का लाइफ का कंट्रोल, simple, straightforward. Take the control of your life and make good things happen, because nobody is going to come and do it for yourself. पास्ट में जीने से प्रेजेंट खराब करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. फिर फ्यूचर में रिग्रेट करोगे कि ये समय का मैंने क्यों यूटिलाइज नहीं करा सही तरीके से. This is the time when you take the charge, take the control of your life and create the fucking life that you want and desire for yourself. That's pretty much it. That's it. Right? This is the time when you make it happen. This is the time when you make it happen. You already know everything. आपको सब पता है. मैंने बोला है 100 बार, आप wisdom hold करते हो. You're very intelligent. You have a lot of wisdom. Use it to your own benefit. This is the message coming up for you from your divine guidance, from the spirit team, from your angels, from your spirit guides. your guidance, and this is the divine guidance for your particular situation today. That's pretty much what I have. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can book that from the link in the description box below. You can follow me on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram for the inquiry of personal reading as well. You might have pain around this area as well. बहुत जोर से दुखा जब मैंने ऐसा. Alright, so that's pretty much what I have. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Signing off. Bye bye, take care.